Hi and welcome to another video about WordPress. In this video, I will talk about SSL and WordPress. I will demonstrate how easily you can set up SSL on your WordPress website. I assume that you already have installed WordPress on your domain and that you have your credentials for WordPress dashboard next to you. If you don't know how to install WordPress on your web hosting, in this case one.com, then watch this video here. And if your web hosting is Euro or Simple.com, then watch this video here. In this example, I will be using my subdomain storytelling.startlearning.dk as a showcase, which is hosted by unieuro.com or simply.com. So, step 1, log in to your WordPress dashboard. And here you see that I'm logged in already and I'm on my subdomain storytelling.startlearning.dk. So step 1 is done. Step 2, go and check and see if SSL, which means HTTPS, is activated on your WordPress website. And we have two ways to check and see whether it's activated SSL. We can go and check and see if we can see a padlock icon in the left corner of my URL bar. So let's go and check. Here we have our URL and here we see that it says not secure. So this means that SSL is not correctly installed yet. Secondly, we can go and see if we get an error message or warning when we connect to our domain through https:// and our domain.com. So I will now try to enter my domain storytelling.startlearning.dk in a browser. And now I will click enter. And now we see we get an error message. We have this red triangle, it's a warning, and it says our connection is not private. So this is another way to check and see if SSL was correctly installed. So step 2 is done. If you have one.com as web hosting company, please continue with step 6. So if you have one.com with WordPress, then go to step 6 here. And if you have Unieuro or Simple.com, then go to step 3. So I will continue with step 3. So step 3 says open your browser and enter either simply.com or Unieuro and log into your control panel. Good, so I will do that. Good, so control panel, now I will enter my credentials. Log in. So now we're done with step 3. Step 4. Now click on website in the menu to the left side and then click on HTTPS protection at the bottom of the website. Let's do that. Website here in the left menu bar. And if I scroll a little bit down, you see we have here HTTP protection. Click on it. And now you see that we are done with step 4. Step 5. Go and find your host name. In my case, storytelling.startlearning.dk, and in the second column that says SSL certificate, change the select box from not HTTPS protected to let's encrypt DV certificate and click on set. So let's go and do that. And here we have the select box. And now I click on set. And it turns from red to green. Now we're done with step 5. So step 6 is both for hosting at Unieuro or simply.com or one.com. So I will continue from step 6 And if you have one.com, then you should continue from step 6. Step 6 says log into your WordPress dashboard. We're done with step 6. And now I'll continue with step 7. Go to plugins in the menu bar and click on add a new plugin. Plugins. And here we have the call to action button, add new. We're done with step 7. Step 8. Search for the plugin Really Simple. So I will search for this plugin. And now we're done with step 8. Step 9. Go and install and activate the plugin Really Simple SSL. So here we have the plugin Really Simple SSL, and now I will install it and activate it. We are now done with step 9. Step 10. Finally click on the message box that says go ahead, activate SSL. So here we have this box that pops up just after that we have activated our plugin Really Simple SSL, and I have to click on this blue call to action button that says go ahead and activate SSL. So now it sends me back to the login page. So I will log in again. Let's see what happens. It says that SSL is activated. Good. Now we're done with step 10. Step 11, the last step. Go and check and see if HTTPS was activated correctly on your WordPress website. And we can go and check and see if we have a padlock icon in the left corner of our URL bar. Let's go and check that. We can go and say visit the website. And here we have our URL, and here we see the padlock. It says connection is secure. The second check we could do is we can enter our domain through https:// and then our domain.com, and then the page should be displayed. So let's do that. Let's open a new. And as you see, here we have our page, which is displayed here without any errors. So this was another video about WordPress and SSL. Thank you for watching this video.